When it comes to treating cervical cancer, early detection is key. That's why the Community Cancer Institute in Clovis is helping patients detect cancer earlier and provide advanced treatment options for those battling a cancer diagnosis. Gynecologic oncology specialist Dr. Ashley Moon says cervical cancer can go undetected for years for some patients.
It does take a long time, especially those who are not immunocompromised, so they have healthy immune systems. And so it does take their bodies a couple of decades for the cervix cancer to actually become full-blown cancer.
This is why she said early detection is important.
It's really important to know about screening. So screening is really in the form of pap smears, which can be performed by OBGYNs, even primary care doctors, family medicine doctors. This is really the most important part of screening against precancer and cancer of the cervix.
Symptoms associated with cervical cancer can include unexplained pelvic pain and oftentimes bleeding following intercourse.
Any of these signs happen and they're very new, or even if they're not new, they've been going on for months to years, to definitely bring it up to their doctors or even to any healthcare providers, and so then he or she could then refer the patient to the specialized physician.
But the most important thing to remember, Moon said, early detection through women's wellness exams.
Cervix cancer is definitely the only gynecologic cancer, one of the few cancers in general where we can prevent it. We knowingly have a test that can detect it, as well as detect it before it becomes cancer from a precancer. To really go and get their women's exam or exam in general, just to get their pap smears done. That's the first thing.
For patients who've been diagnosed with cervical cancer, the diagnosis and doctor visits can be stressful. But the Community Cancer Institute in Clovis offers a variety of services in one centralized location, making it easier for patients battling the disease.
So the fact we have all of the specialists here at one place is easy for the patient and their families to see all the necessary doctors and get all the necessary treatments in one place.